Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about Redmi Note 8 Pro versus Realme X2 camera comparison. So, let's get started. Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with quad camera system. The primary lens is of 64 megapixel with aperture f1.8. The secondary lens is of 8 megapixel with aperture f2.2, which acts as a wide angle lens. Third lens is of 2 megapixel, which used as a depth sensor. And the fourth lens, which is of 2 megapixel, used for macro photography. The selfie camera of Redmi Note 8 Pro is of 20 megapixel with aperture f2.0. Realme X2 comes with a quad camera system. The primary lens is of 64 megapixel with aperture f1.8 and the secondary lens is 8 megapixel with aperture f2.2, which acts as a wide angle lens, and third lens is of 2 megapixel, which is used for a depth separation in portrait mode, and the fourth lens is of 2 megapixel, which is used for macro shots. Realme X2 has a 32 megapixel front facing camera with aperture f2.0. When coming to daylight and normal light conditions, both cameras performs really good. The details and sharpness in the pictures are really good, and hardly you find anything which is not good in the pictures. The HDR process in both mobiles are really good, but sometimes I prefer the HDR from Redmi Note 8 Pro because 9 out of 10 times it gets right. Most of the times Realme X2 produce slightly warmer tones in the pictures. Realme X2 produce images which are punchy and more saturated most of the time, but sometimes it produce natural colors. The image processing of Realme X2 is most of the times really good apart from that punchy and saturated colors. Some people like punchy and saturated images, but some like natural colors. It's a user preference and can't go wrong with neither of them. But sometimes Realme X2 changes the color of the object by implementing that more saturated image processing. On the other side, Redmi Note 8 Pro produced 9 out of 10 times natural colors in the images. The image processing of Redmi Note 8 Pro is slightly better than Realme X2 according to me. Don't get me wrong in this. This is my choice, but you may like Realme X2 image processing. On the whole, they both produce really good images and most of the people will be satisfied with images produced by both cameras. Wide angle lens also performs in both mobiles while daylight and normal light conditions, but I think Redmi Note 8 Pro performs little better using wide angle lens. Here are few more pictures, check them out. From both mobiles gives you good images, but the same issue again arises with Realme X2. They produce some kind of warmer reddish skin tones and eliminates the details of the skin. On other hand, Redmi Note 8 Pro produce little whitish skin tones, which is not accurate too, but it will keep your face details most of the times. Coming to low light or night photography using these mobiles, both performs pretty good in adequate light conditions, but details in the pictures are mostly mushy or noisy. On the whole, they produce decent images in the night times. When coming to night mode, both performs really good. Night mode gives great results using the long exposure mechanism. The mechanism is little different in both mobiles. When you take pictures using night mode with Redmi Note 8 Pro, it takes fixed amount of time like few seconds to get light into sensor, then to process the image. But Realme X2 night mode detects the scene and takes less time to take a shot if there is enough light in the scene. That seems like AI is kicking in the night mode department. You can see few more pictures and here are they.